Hurry up, guys, or else no break today.
Oh, boss, relax lah. Why are you so tense? Yeah, I know you have tight deadlines, but have you given your men the proper safety guidelines and enough rest? No? Then maybe you should listen to this song that I wrote. It'll tell you a bit more about safety. Oh, but I forgot my helmet. Okay, let me go and get it. You better be safe, not sorry.
Hello everybody, come with me. Come and see what work safety ought to be. When it comes to everybody's safety, remember, safety starts with me. Oi, don't daydream, don't vegetate. Stay sharp, focus, gotta concentrate. Don't you look away to that pretty young maid. Keep your eyes focused on the job instead.
Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me.
Hammer, saw, screwdriver, pliers, vice. Come on, use the right tools, don't improvise. Because if you misuse the device, it might only lead to your own demise. When in doubt, ask the boss, don't assume wrongly. Don't make a fool out of you and me. Don't be Use and don't be hero. Sekali enak pose or a zero.
Be safe, not sorry. Think about work safety. It's your responsibility. You gotta be safe, not sorry. Be safe for everybody. Remember, safety starts with me.
If you're the boss, have a heart, try to understand. Even with tight deadline, please relax your man. Guide them well, give them rest, show them that you care. You'll be surprised what they will do when you ain't even there. If you're the worker when you're tired, really tak boleh, then surely it is high time to take a break. Better wash your face, drink some coffee, eat a cake, then to press on, lose focus and break a leg.
Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me.
Safety goggles, gloves, helmet and boots. Always remember to wear your safety suit. I know you're serious but you don't have to try them all. Just make sure it isn't too big or too small. Also remember, don't overload, whether a plug or a ton of clothes. If you really cannot manage it alone, go ask somebody lah, don't break a
Be
bone.
safe, not sorry. Think about work safety. It's your responsibility. You gotta be safe, not sorry. Be safe for everybody. Remember, safety starts with me. Remember, safety starts with me. Remember, safety starts with me.
Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me. Safety starts with me.
So how boss? How was the song?
Good, good.
It's fantastic.
Let's go for coffee.
Okay lah, let's go.
Oi, where's your helmet? Song finished already, still must put on ma. Safety first.
Safety starts with me. Remember.